before use. Warning: before donning the respirator, always perform the following checks. Ensure that the respirator is clean and dry. Check the respirator, valves, harness for cracks, missing parts, and any other defects. Check that the appropriate filters are within their expiry date, undamaged, and installed correctly, with the filter and mask arrows aligned as shown. When fitting the filters, they will require a firm, steady pressure clockwise when viewed from the front. The two filter elements must be of the same type and class. Fitting your half-mask filters. Firstly, ensure you have the correct filters for your intended use. Remove the packaging and read the instruction manual provided. Place the filter onto your half-mask and rotate clockwise. You will feel it click into place. Your filters will lock and seal securely from any orientation. Ensure that the filters are mounted parallel to the sealing surface. Align filter and mask arrows as shown. Removing your filters. Remove the filters by rotating anti-clockwise. Donning your half mask. When using your mask for the first time, first ensure that both your straps are unlocked within the exhale cover prior to donning. You should also loosen all straps prior to donning when using for the first time. If you have facial hair, ensure that your face is clean shaven in advance of donning. Fasten the buckles around your neck and slightly tighten the straps if necessary. Securely locate the head cradle on the crown of your head. Adjust the mask and straps until secure and comfortable. Perform a fit check as shown in the next section. Fit checking your half mask. Don your mask, making sure you have a secure, comfortable fit. Place the palms of your hands over the filters and inhale to check the seal against your face for 10 seconds. The respirator should pull inwards to your face. If any air leakage occurs, adjust your mask and repeat the test again. During use. Warning: if you experience any one of the following signs while using the product, leave the hazardous area immediately, return to fresh air, and seek assistance. Breathing difficulties, dizziness or nausea. You can smell or taste the contaminant. You experience any other noticeable physical effects. Your equipment becomes damaged. Doffing your mask. Remove the head cradle for temporary removal and remove the neck straps for temporary removal. To avoid refitting after each donning, lock the straps in place. To do this, open the front cover and move the strap under the locking plastic as shown. Tug the straps on both sides to ensure locking was successful. Decontaminate, clean and store respirator as required. Cleaning and disinfecting your mask. Warning: do not use cleaning products containing hydrocarbons or solvents such as acetone or detergents with abrasive particles for cleaning. Remove the filter assembly and store or dispose of as required. Remove the oronasal assembly by rotating it a quarter of a turn to the left and withdrawing it. Clean the mask parts using lukewarm soapy water or a mild generic cleaning agent. Thoroughly rinse the respirator in clean running water. Disinfect the mask after cleaning using generic approved disinfecting agents or wipes, or in a solution of 1 teaspoon, that's 5 milliliters, of household bleach, 5.25% sodium hydrochloride, mixed in 1 gallon of water, 50 parts per million chlorine. Immerse the respirator in the solution for at least 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly in clean running water. Allow the mask components to dry naturally. Do not apply direct heat. Reassemble the mask in reverse order.